Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, a versatile countertop oven designed to simplify cooking with professional quality results. This oven features 24 cooking functions, including air frying, baking, broiling, and toasting, giving you complete control over a wide variety of meals. The 26-quart capacity is perfect for families, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at once. Digital controls make operation simple and precise, while the stainless steel finish adds a sleek, modern look to your kitchen. It also comes with 7 accessories, including racks, trays, and pans, to enhance your cooking versatility right out of the box. If you're looking for a powerful, multifunction air fryer toaster oven that combines large capacity with professional quality features, the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Combo is an excellent choice. Click the link below for the best price.
Never you.